Jai Gurudev, good morning student. Today we are going to solve exercise 2.5 question 9th and 10th. So question 9th, first is verify, first one sub question is x cube plus y cube is equal to bracket x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Now verify means to show that. Now we have to show this left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now see the left hand side, x cube plus y cube. We can't expand this one. There is no law or identity or something like this. Now see the right hand side. It is x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. So this is nothing but multiplication of binomial with trinomial, which we have studied in the 8th standard. So we will use that concept. So I am using the right hand side, x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Okay. Now here you have to multiply binomial with trinomial. So what we are doing, we are multiplying the first term of the binomial, that is x, with the whole trinomial, that is x square minus xy plus y square. And then second term, that is plus y, with the whole trinomial, that is x square minus xy plus y square. Now here it is monomial multiplied with trinomial. So what we are doing, we are opening the bracket. So we are multiplying the term, monomial term, that is x, with the each term inside the bracket. Okay. So x multiply with x square, then plus into minus, minus, then x multiply with xy, then plus into plus, plus, then x multiply with y square. Same way here also we will do, we will multiply y with the each term inside the bracket. So here y will get multiplied with x square, then plus into minus, minus, then y will get multiplied with xy, then again plus into plus, plus, so y will get multiplied with y square. Now you have to solve this. X into x square, x cube, law of exponent. When base are same, here nothing means 1. And base are same, we are adding the power, 1 plus 2, 3. Now here x into x, x square, so x square y. Here x into y square, xy square. Plus, here y into x square will be x square, I am writing first, x square y. Here y into xy will be xy square, and then plus y cube. Now see here, minus x square y plus x square y. Same term, different sign. So it will get cancelled. Same way here, xy square minus xy square. Same term, different sign, cancel. So your answer will be x cube plus y cube, which is nothing but left hand side. That means by solving the right hand side, we have come to the answer which is nothing but left hand side. Hence, you can say right hand side is equal to left hand side. Hence verified, that means we have shown that right hand side is equal to left hand side, and this is your answer of the question 9 first sub question. Now exercise 2.5 question 9 second sub question, which is same as the sub question 1, means same step we have to follow here. So again we have to take the right hand side, because we can multiply here binomial with trinomial. Okay, so here x minus y. One thing I want to tell you, on question 9, that is x cube plus y cube equal to x plus y bracket x square minus x square plus y square, and this one you have to remember this also, because in next question we have to use this to solve the problem. Okay, so here x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. So we have to solve this. So again it is nothing but binomial with trinomial, so x will get multiplied with the whole trinomial. So the next step will be x multiplied with x square plus xy plus y square, and second term, that is minus y, will again get multiplied with x square plus xy plus y square. Just you have to solve this and you will get the answer. So again open the bracket, this monomial term, that is x will get multiplied with the each term inside the bracket, same way y will get multiplied with the each term inside the bracket. So x will get multiplied with x square, then plus into plus, plus x will get multiplied with xy, then plus x will get multiplied with y square, then minus y square, will get multiplied with x square, minus into plus minus y will get multiplied with xy, minus into plus minus y will get multiplied with y square. Now you have to solve this. X into x square, x cube, x into xy, x square y, x into y square, xy square, minus y into x square will be x square y. Here y into xy will be xy square minus y. Here x square y, same term, different sign, cancel. Xy square minus xy square, same term, different sign, cancel. So your answer will be x cube minus y cube, which is nothing but equal to left hand side. So here right hand side is equal to left hand side, hence you have verified the given question. So this is your answer. Now next question will be exercise 2.5, question 10, factorize each of the following. Okay, so here in question 10 we have to use the verify that we are done in 9th question, so that one we have to use here in the question number 10. So it is given that first sub question is 27 y cube plus 125 z cube. Okay, now previously in question 9 we have seen x cube plus y cube is equal to bracket x plus y multiply with x square minus xy plus y square. So that means if the two terms, the sum of two terms are in cube, then we can expand it. Now we have to write this question in the form of x cube plus y cube. So can I write this 27? 27 is the cube of 3. So I can write this as 3, and y cube is the cube of y. So I can write this as 3y whole cube. Okay. Similarly 125 is the cube of 5. So I can write this as 5z whole cube. Now this question we have written in the form of x cube plus y cube. Now here I have already written that identity, you can say. We know that x cube plus y cube is equal to bracket x plus y into bracket x square minus xy plus y square. Okay, so x cube plus y cube, so this will become 3y cube plus 5z cube. Okay, now right hand side expansion x plus y. What is x? 3y is x and 5z is a y. So 3y plus 5z, then x square. What is x? 3y, means 3y square minus x into y, that is x is 3y and 5z is y, plus y square, I am writing down, y is 5z, so it will be 5z square. Now solve this, this will give you the answer. It will be as it is. Now here 3 square is 9, so it will be 9 and y square is y. Now 3 5 are 15, 15 yz plus, now 5 square is 25, 25 z square. So this will be your answer. Now question 10, second sub question, 64 m cube minus 343 n cube. So similarly in 9th question we have seen that we can expand x cube minus y cube. That means we have to make both the term, we have to write them in the form of cube. Now 64 is a cube of 4, so I can write 4, and m cube is a cube of m, 4m whole cube, and here 343 is a cube of 7, and n cube is a cube of n. Now if you will no take the cube of 7, that is 7 into 7 into 7, you will get 340. Now which this question has become in the form of x cube minus y cube. So we know that x cube minus y cube is equal to bracket x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. Okay, so here in place of x cube minus y cube we can take quotient, that is 4m cube minus 7n cube. Now if we will compare this, no, left hand side of the identity and the quotient, x value will be 4m and y value will be 7n. So it will be right hand side x, that is 4m, minus y, that is 7n, then bracket x square, what is x? 4m, so 4m square plus x into y, that is 4m into 7n, and last plus y square, what is y? 7n, so 7n square. So it will become 4m minus 7n will be as it is. Now here 4 square will be 16, so 16 and m square will be m square. Now 4 7s are 28, 28 m n, and 7 square will be 49, so 49 n square. This will be your answer, and this is your question 10.